Ready to dive into the ultimate Huawei showdown? Today, we're comparing the powerhouse Huawei Mate 80 Pro and the sleek Huawei Mate 70 Pro. Which one dominates in display brilliance, camera innovation, battery endurance, and cutting-edge features? Will the Mate 80 Pro's insane 8,000 nits peak brightness and 14-day battery outdoor mode outshine the Mate 70 Pro's liquid-cooled gaming engine and AI gestures? Or does the Mate 70 Pro's sharper 6.9-inch display and advanced 4K video capture steal the show? Stick around, because by the end, you'll decide. Is the Mate 80 Pro truly worth the upgrade, or is the Mate 70 Pro still king? Let's get started. Starting with displays, the Mate 70 Pro boasts a larger 6.9-inch LTPO OLED screen with a slightly higher resolution of 1316 by 2832 pixels, offering a crisp 453 ppi density. However, the Mate 80 Pro counters with a stunning peak brightness of 8,000 nits, which is a game-changer for outdoor visibility and HDR content. Plus, its 300 Hz touch sampling rate means ultra-responsive interactions, perfect for gamers and power users. The Mate 70 Pro shines with a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, still impressive but no match for the Mate 80 Pro's radiance. In essence, if you want the brightest, most vivid display that adapts seamlessly to your environment, the Mate 80 Pro takes the crown here. Under the hood, the Mate 80 Pro flexes with the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, delivering blistering performance, especially in the higher storage variants. The Mate 70 Pro runs on the Kirin 9020, which is solid but less powerful. This means the Mate 80 Pro is better equipped for heavy multitasking, gaming, and future-proofing your device for demanding apps. When it comes to standout features, the Mate 80 Pro packs BDS satellite calling and messaging, a 700 MHz emergency communication band, and an AI posture-aware design that adapts to how you hold the phone. Plus, IP69 water resistance and an 80-watt wireless charging capability. The Mate 70 Pro counters with AI assistant Hongmong, AI gestures for touchless control, and a liquid-cooled VC system for gaming. Both bring unique innovations, but the Mate 80 Pro's satellite emergency features and adaptive design offer unmatched utility and safety. In photography, both share a powerful 50MP wide main sensor with OIS at PDAF, but the Mate 80 Pro edges ahead with 4x optical zoom on its periscope telephoto lens compared to the Mate 70 Pro's 3.5 zoom. Video-wise, the Mate 70 Pro supports smoother 4K at 60 fps, while the Mate 80 Pro maxes out at 4K 30 fps. So, if zoom clarity is your priority, the Mate 80 Pro's camera system is the winner. Delving deeper, the Mate 80 Pro's camera features like AI image stabilization, a super spectrum sensor, and 4D predictive focus elevate image quality and low-light performance. The Mate 70 Pro counters with intelligent variable aperture and AI photography modes, enhancing creative control. Overall, the Mate tech-packed sensor suite delivers sharper, more reliable shots in diverse conditions. Battery life is crucial, and the Mate 80 Pro sports a larger 5750 mAh battery compared to the Mate 7500 mAh. While both are non-removable, the Mate 80 Pro's outdoor mode, boasting 14-day battery life, is a standout for adventurers and heavy users who need endurance without constant charging. Durability-wise, both phones are impressively rugged with IP68, IP69 ratings, meaning they resist dust and can survive immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The Mate 80 Pro also withstands high-pressure water jets, making it slightly more robust for extreme conditions. In memory options, the Mate 80 Pro offers up to 1 TB storage paired with 16 GB RAM, ideal for power users needing massive space and smooth multitasking. The Mate 70 Pro also goes up to 1 TB but maxes out at 12 GB RAM, making the Mate 80 Pro better suited for future-proofing and heavy workflows. Price-wise, the Mate 70 Pro starts around $700 plus, while the Mate 80 Pro commands a premium at $850. The question is whether the enhanced display brightness, chipset, and features of the Mate 80 Pro justify the higher price tag for you.